Gene Regaley with us here on Hoosier Ag Today. And Gene, welcome to the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. I guess my first question is, ever been here?
I've never been here. This is very exciting, and I can't wait to see them cross the finish line and toast with a glass of milk.
Well, that's a big deal here at Indianapolis. What a great tradition it is. Your thoughts as you approach this magnificent facility?
It's so impressive to see this speedway, but also to think about this is their 98th year doing this, and National Dairy Council, who I work with, has been around almost 100 years. And together these two organizations have been doing great things to entertain people and to provide nutritious food to people.
You're going to be kicking off the National Milk Drive here at the Fastest Rookie Luncheon. Tell us what that is.
I am so proud to be here announcing the Great American Milk Drive, which is a donation program to get more milk into the hands of the needy. It's hard to believe, but in America, there are over 47 million people that are food insecure. That's 12 million families. And what we know is that milk is one of the least donated food items, but most requested. So it means these folks in need are not getting a very important nutritious food, when they go to the food banks. So we're trying to help that solve that problem with Feeding America, the nation's largest food bank network. And what people can do is they can donate money that will go to purchasing a gallon of milk. And those dollars will be used to get coupons into the hands of the needy to go to the grocery store to purchase a gallon of milk. So by a simple click of the mouse, going to www.milklife.com/give, or text 27722 and text milk, and you can donate a gallon of milk. It's that easy.
And a great thing to do, and the fact that it's the least donated item would have to be because it's not easily transportable. You can't store it on shelves for weeks on end.
It's perishable. Distribution, transportation are challenging, but now food banks have more capacity with refrigeration, so they can take more milk. But this solves the problem. By getting people coupons, they can go to the grocery store and get their milk for free, using the coupon. So it's a win-win. And what's most important is 12 million Americans, who have been doing without milk, can now get the nourishment they need from milk, which provides a great quality of protein. It provides important nutrients that Americans are missing, like calcium, vitamin D, and potassium. And as a dietitian, that's very important to make sure that we're helping Americans eat healthy and get the milk they need. Another startling statistic is that these families, through the food bank currently, get less than 1 gallon of milk per year. And really, people need to have, in a family, need a gallon of milk a week. So please give by going to www.milklife.com/give and donate. The other exciting thing is until May 25th, we will match your donation. So it'll be a 2-for-1. Whatever, we get in donations, we will match.
Awesome. And what an important and a startling fact that you talked about. So this should go a long way in helping improve upon that anyway. Good luck. How long does this promotion go on? Do you hope in perpetuity?
We do hope in perpetuity. We hope the finish line for this year will be 2 million gallons we'll be able to get donated, and we think that we'll be able to do that.
Good luck. Thanks for being here, and welcome to Indianapolis.
Thanks so much.